Hello guys, my name is Kunal and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will starting the new you can say the playlist that is nothing but an statistics in machine learning. So we will in this particular playlist we will understand some statistical concept which are very useful in machine learning, because machine learning consists number of concepts which are required in statistics we will use in machine learning, and then there are some concepts which are in probability. Those also we will see in this particular you can say playlist. So this particular playlist nothing but statistical and probability. So we will cover all the concepts of statistics and probability in this particular playlist, and I will post two videos of every Sunday in for this particular playlist. So please stay tuned with this my channel and share this particular channel with your all friends and colleagues. So starting with the first topic of the you can say statistical and probability playlist is nothing but an population and sample. Okay, so this is a very you can say basic concept of statistics which we will use in our machine learning. So we will understand this concept by solving some basic problem. So the problem over here is the problem statement over here is we have to estimate. Okay, we have to estimate population population mean height mean mean height mean height population mean height of India. Okay, so this is our you can say the uh, problem statement, and the you can say population of India is 135 billion. So how you will solve this paper? You have to calculate the mean of height of all the people which is living in the India. So that is the your, or you want to estimate. So that is your problem statement. So if you go by the basic strategy, or you can say the old strategy, what you will do, you will create set of people. Okay, you will create set of people and you will measure all the population height. You will measure height of all the population living in the India, and you will create one set. Okay, this we called as a population set. Okay, in this population set you will have height of all the people living in the India, and then how you will sum all the people height. I goes 1 to 135 billion. Okay, you will do the sum, and then you will divide that particular sum by 135 billion. So that is the in this way you will calculate the population. And generally the population mean denoted by the mu. But if you see, to collect or create this data set, okay, to create this data set or set, you will require lots of resource. First of all, you will require lots of resource and time as well to collect this particular data sets. So and it is very time consuming as well. So to solve this problem, uh, there is a one alternative method as well, which required less time and very cost effective as well. So what we'll do in the second approach, we will create sample set. Okay, this is the population set, but here we will create the you can say sample set. Okay, this is the sample set of you can say 1,000 people. Here sample size is 1,000 people. We will not collect all the population height. We will just select some random people, and then we will measure the heights of those people. Okay, and to measure the 1,000 people heights as compared to measure 135 billion heights is very cost effective, and as well as you will require very less resources, and it is not time consuming as well. So in that way we will collect only 1,000 peoples of heights. Okay, and then now we will calculate the mean of all height. So you will I goes 1 to 1,000. Okay, and hi, and here 1 by 1,000. In this way you will estimate the you can say you will calculate the uh, mean of 1,000 people height, and generally it is donated by bar. So h is an random variable. We will understand what is the random variable, but here you will say that this is h is a random variable, and mean of that random variable we generally note by the bar symbol. So h bar is nothing but a mean of 1,000 people, or you can say sample mean. This is an sample mean. This is a sample mean, and sample mean is if you increase, and sample mean is approximately equal to your you can say population mean. Okay, approximately equal to, you will not get exact equal to, but it is you can say approximately equal to the population mean. And uh, this you can say the sample mean, if you increases the sample size, if you increases the sample size, here we have taken 1,000 people sample size. If you increase to 1 million or 2 million people sample size, then you will more converge correctly to your population mean. Okay, you don't have to collect all the heights of 135 billion people, but you can collect the 1 million people height, and from that you can estimate the population mean or population height mean. So in that way we can use this sample set. So sample set is nothing but an, you can say, subset of your population set, and by using the that subset you can derive or you can estimate the properties of the population. So that is the use of your sample set, and it is very as well cost effective. Okay, and now you might have actually now we'll go in one another whiteboard. So there are now elections. Okay, in the Commission of India taking elections in uh, states like UP, Punjab, okay, Uttarakhand. So there are a number of elections will happen in February or March. But if you see the elections, and there are multiple exit polls are also happening. Exit polls also happening on news channel. Okay, on news channel. Exit polls are happening on news channels. So how are doing this exit poll? They are not collecting data from all the population residing in this Punjab or UP state. They are collecting sample set. They are collecting the sample set from the Punjab and UP, and on the basis of that sample, on the basis of that sample, they are predicting the population mean or they are predicting who will win that particular election. Okay, so and you have seen that most of the time these exit polls are correct. Exit polls are correct. Okay, because if they have taken this sample size correctly, they are most likely to converge to the actual result. So that is the power of this statistics. This sample size be selected randomly. That is that is very you can say the basic things. If you are not selected this sample size or sample set very carefully, then your prediction will not be converged to your actual results. So That is the thing. So I wanted to explain, I wanted to give the real example of this population and sample. So that's why I have brought this exit poll example over here. So yeah, that's it from my side for this particular session. If you like this particular session, please hit that like button and subscribe this channel to all your friends and colleagues whoever required this type of help. Thank you.